Hello students, today we will learn single mode fiber. Single mode fiber transmits only one transverse mode by which the light signal propagates along the fiber. Single mode fibers are made of glass compounds or doped silica. Single mode fibers have a small core diameter which is always less than the 10 times the wavelength of the light signal used in the fiber. Single mode fiber have low light gathering capability because of its small nuclear aperture. Hence the data transmission capacity of single mode fibers is low. Single mode fibers employ light signal of high bandwidth. The main advantages of single mode fiber is their low fiber loss. Hence these fibers finds wide application in long haul for transmission of data signal to long distances. Thus single mode fiber, in spite of having the disadvantage of low light gathering capability, has an advantage of transmitting the light signal to long distances. Single mode fibers can either be step index single mode fiber or graded index single mode fiber. In single mode step index fiber, the refractive index of core is kept uniform throughout. Whereas in single mode graded index fiber, the refractive index of core decreases from the core center towards the core periphery. By making single mode graded index fiber, we can reduce the fiber loss further. But since the manufacturing process of single mode graded index fiber is quite expensive and the advantages derived from these type of fiber is not very much useful, hence they do not find much use commercially. So commercially only single mode step index fiber is used. The main features of single mode fiber can be seen in this figure. The core diameter is about 8 micrometer. The cladding diameter is 125 micrometer. The buffer is 250 micrometer while the jacket is 400 micrometer. Hence for the transmission of a limited data signal but to a long distance, we generally prefer single mode fibers.